we're gonna do here, just follow what I have to do. Okay. So what we have to do here, we're gonna do 7 times 2 plus 4, and so we're gonna go step by step. So what we have to do here, we're gonna rewrite it. Okay. So this is what we have to do here. So what we're gonna do, this is the one. Okay. So we're gonna write like this. Okay. Now we're gonna write this. Okay. 2. Okay. Gonna write 2, 2 times 7. So some of you may say, then how you end up getting it? This is 7 and this is 2. That's the one. So I'm gonna put the bracket, this one like this. Okay. Let me erase this. I'm gonna write this correctly. Okay. So this is what we have to do here. So 2 times 7. So this 7, this is the one. This is 2, this is the 1 times. Now we have the 4 is left in the top, plus 4 equal. Now we have our 7. This is 7. We're gonna put it right here. And we put it right now, right there. Now the first thing we're gonna do here, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna multiply this one. 2 times 7 equal 2 times 7 equal what? 14. So in case you don't get it, I'm gonna rewrite it that way, you know. And then don't forget this, we put this 7 right here. Okay? So 2 times 7 equal 14 plus 4. Okay? And then equal, so 14 plus 4 equal 18. And this is 7, you put right there. So this is the answer. That's the answer. Okay? That's the one. This is how we do it. Okay? So now rid of this and write the answer right there. Okay? So the answer is 7. Okay? Now we're gonna do this one. Okay? So thing we're gonna do thing we did. Okay, we get this 4, we're gonna put right here. Okay? Now this one, we're gonna put 1 right here times, okay, 1 times 4, okay, and plus is 3. This one, okay? And then we're gonna put right here. Now we're gonna here. So 1 times 4 equal what? 4. Plus 3. Don't forget the 4. This one, okay? Put right, okay, equal 4 plus 3 equals 7. And 4. Okay? This one is the answer. So the answer is right there. Okay? I'm gonna raise them. So the right answer is 10. 4. Okay. So this one is the last one. So same thing we're gonna do. We're gonna, don't forget this one. You write the 8 right here in the bottom. Okay. Same thing we did. Okay. So we're gonna write 2 times, okay, 2 times 8 plus is 3. Oh, so we write our 8. Now 2 times 8 equals 16 plus 3 equal what? 16 plus 3 equal 19. And 8. Okay, so this is 16 plus 3, 9, 1. Okay, yeah, but we got this 19. Okay, so the right answer is that's the one. Is in. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop here for today. I know the video is not that long, so thank you so much for watching. You guys take care. Bye bye.